Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the Anthony Waco and today's date is what there. And y'all,
anybody for the help. It took me a while to find someone for the help. A shout out to these two people right here. Shout out to them two people. There was three for the other one quit.
me.
A shout out to these two people right here. Shout out to them two people. There was three for the other one quit.
Y'all, if y'all don't remember that, this was back in November 2020. I think, 11/20, 2020. I've been watching my video and what I like to do is I have all my video from my main channel, Damien channel, or anything, saved to a USB drive. This be like, because I keep everything. And this is what I have come of my data cave on. I can even put that up. So some of my data is saved on this. Okay. So that's about 18 kilobytes. And about 10 worth of data is on there. Then I had the little.
It took me a long time because I couldn't find anybody that was good to help me, but I finally got it.
Then I have the little USB drive that have on them too, so I can put them in the TV and I can watch it.
I'll be doing this again with my friend, maybe tomorrow or something, just to do I get more money.
Then not just that, I have the USB drive that have Dane data on them. Then there was also another one right here. Okay, here make it seem a little bit better. Me see. Then one second. Then here is another thing right here that have Dane data and stuff on it. I have another one. It's about 8 kilobytes. All three of them is 8 kilobytes. More data is more data. I mean, more core space is better. So I don't have to worry about buying another one about 2 or 3 years later. So yeah. So I watched my video, my gaming video, my video, like this video and stuff. And I like, did I miss anything? I didn't everything yet. Anything else. And we can go far from November 2020 from the gaming channel to the main channel. We can go far. We came so far, y'all. Wait, let me wind that back real quick. Let me turn the camera around. See, we came so far.
He did it. Yes. Shout out to them too, y'all.
I can't name my phone for but yeah. Now the whole point of this video, we're gonna do a short video out real quick before I head out. So yeah, let me find my kitten real quick. Here she is. Hey, you're not about to be in the trash can. Here she is. But they're playing with something. Here, Arnie. Wait. Kitty. Hey, Arnie. Come here. Kitty. Any other time she want to do a video, not now. She busy playing with fun. Kitty. No, he got that. He got you know, kitty, kitty. I know how did you come here.
That's a class. There you go, my man.
Kitty, kitty. Hey. Kitty, kitty.
Y'all, we did it, y'all.
Yeah, he's doing. I know, but he'll on him. Honey. Right, nope, out on the dugout. Kitty, kitty. Come here. She on the dugout or in the kitchen, one of them places.
This is my first time doing it. He knows how it's on mine. I should be up there a little bit to walk through.
See what there. Kitty, kitty. That's what you kind of did, huh? Okay, so she what there? Okay. You're not kidding? You're not kidding, ain't you? Kitty, kitty. What did you biting it?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Now,
Ow!
you feel very red. You don't have access to that.
Ah, she down my finger.
Wait, what happened? Well, we were supposed to the app and we cut off the glass and put a person details in that
Hey.
go fail to do their job. We will filter them that. Hey! Hey! Whoa! Ain't gonna help y'all, but now y'all what? Hey, I just what's going on? Help me a new life. Hey, I'm going to go ahead with that. Come on now.
Go ahead, put the wrong button. Kitty, kitty. You're like, oh, what is this? Arnie went back onto the couch. She so cute when she wanna be. You okay? Do y'all remember that white cat named Sapphire? She used to live here with us, and she thought, she would move to her dad's place, Sapphire the cat, the white one. Yeah, she would move to her dad's place. Well, yesterday, she got out of the apartment, and this be about second time She got out about 9 a.m. and nobody couldn't find her, you know. So about 3:30, 3 o'clock p.m. my time, I went walking after someone told me, "No, you don't have to do that. That coyote boy there now." I can't find a kid. No name. So I will.
Much better now. Now I could can't have all of them on rock. We still do.
So I will. Went down by the water drain where the last person kid. She over there. She's gotten in the drain. Or running around somewhere. So I went to the drain. Looked down. She was there. She was literally cut in the drain. I dragged her right here. Because pull her out a little bit. While I can grab her arm and pull her out. And she was like hit in and everything kind of out. She was cut. Got her out. Took her to her dad's place. Her paw was really, really dirty. She was shaking. Her paw was shaking. Her tail didn't really look good. And she didn't really look good. She put her paw in me. I hit it down. And I'm like, no, you're fine. You can leave your paw with it. Good. No worries. And I took her home. She ended up getting a bath, not a bath, but she ended up getting, like, cleaned off with a washcloth and stuff and everything else. But it was sad. It was sad. But, yeah. Okay, Ani coming in the room and going, "Kitty, kitty, 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 kitty." Read that. Oh, let me tell you what you can do with this. They got it out. Oh, God. She got it. Nope, she want that. Nope, now she's putting it back in the box. Now she's putting the skyway in the box. Yay! How she booking the box? Oh, that did not throw the way up, bunny. Hey, can you hear me? Oh, I'll talk real quick. Come here, kitty, kitty. Where did you go? Oh, God. You don't know, go around that corner. God, don't. Ow! Let me go, you don't fall. Oh, God. Honey, honey. What is it hitting though? Here she is. Well, people, I just wanted a short video out and stuff, and yeah, did a video of the cat, and so just wanted to watch the cat play sometimes. Well, people, I'll keep my, man, what is wrong with my hair? Well, people, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Turn on that notification. I'm just joking with you. Turn on that notification. Turn on the bell and stuff. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out of here.
What you're doing, old friend, because this is that call. Things have quieted down after our last trip to the diamond, and the stage is set for us to grind some more moolah out of that shithole. You with me? Huh? Alright, head back to the arcade whenever you can. And remember, there's gonna be a setup cost this time.
Oh Lord. I'll see y'all in that video. I'm out.